Today, I'll show you how to play Clash Royale on your Mac. Since it's a mobile game, you can install it directly from the App Store on Mac, but there are a couple of simple workarounds. The first option is to use Google Play Games Beta for Mac. Just visit the official Google Play Games website, download the installer, and sign in with your Google account. Once it's set up, search for Clash Royale and install it, just like on your phone. If Google Play Games isn't available in your region, you can use an Android emulator like BlueStacks. Go to BlueStacks.com, download the Mac version, install it, and log in with your Google account. From there, open the Play Store, find Clash Royale, and install it. After installation, you can launch Clash Royale directly from Google Play Games or the emulator. You can even customize mouse and keyboard controls for a smoother gaming experience. And that's it. You can now enjoy Clash Royale on your Mac with either method.